What's up, my ponios? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to go over this dual band Wi-Fi 7 router from the folks at TENDA. This is a great way here for you to be able to stream clear Wi-Fi throughout your entire house. It supports lots of devices and it gives you really clean streaming for your favorite streaming apps. It's also great for gaming. The dual band Wi-Fi 7 router supports speeds up to 3,500 megabits a second, the 5G 2,800 megabits a second, and the 2.4 gigahertz at 680 megabits a second. It supports multi-link operation, 4K QAM, with 5 external high-gain antennas, and a 6 nanometer Wi-Fi chip to support Wi-Fi 7. With that said, before we jump into it here, the folks at TENDA did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it does help out the channel. Let's unbox this and install it and show you what you get yourself into. Unboxing is very straightforward here. As you can see, it's nicely wrapped. Here is the low profile router from TENDA. The BE3600 has 5 antennas to support multiple devices here. They do not articulate though, but they give you enough coverage here to be able to cover your entire room, household, office space, you name it. On the back side here are the ports. You do have the intake port, and then you've got 2 additional LAN ports if you want to connect to a PC or another streaming device. Here's the power cord and the reset button. Included in the box is the power cable and an additional gigabit Ethernet cable to be able to connect this router to. Okay, we're on location. I've got this little streaming hub. My podcast table is over here, and so I wanted to have a direct connection to a gigabit of internet, and I wanted to have Wi-Fi for my guests here to be able to look up on the internet without having any interference. We've got it plugged in. Now we got to go ahead and set it up here on the phone. You can see the unit is turned on. I've also got the Ethernet cables there plugged in, one going to my PC and also one coming from my modem. On the instructions manual, there is a QR code. From the App Store, you're going to download the TENDA Wi-Fi app. We're going to create our profile, and then we're going to add the unit. We're going to go ahead and log in, create a user account. All right, I've already got a mesh Wi-Fi at home. We're going to add the office router. You're going to connect to the TENDA Wi-Fi. There we go. Now we're connected. We can go ahead and start from here. Now that we've connected to the router again after it's reset, because I reset the password and the name, we can go ahead and control it. We're going to control now. All right, now that we've got connected into the controller, you can see that we've got one device connected to it. Obviously, it's connected to the internet. We've got Wi-Fi as well as my PC. We've got some parental controls, NFC stickers, network diagnostics. Can show you the speed test here as well. Everything looks good here on this end. You have a number of advanced functions, including adding a guest Wi-Fi black or white list, smart power savings, management passwords, system time, got a mesh button. You can set it up for IPv6 and other functions there as well. Now we have our PC, which is connected to the LAN. We can go ahead and show you the speed test. I've got gigabit of internet through Google Fiber. Showing you here, I've got plenty of upload and download. Showing you Google Fiber, very impressive download and upload speeds. This router has no problem being able to support it. With that said, I'm very pleased with this router. I have this for my studio. I just need to receive an Ethernet cable that was provided by my landlord, and having this router that does support IPv6 security protocol is nice so that I can make sure and secure my office space. This is also great for a dorm, your bedroom, you name it, as it does have quite a bit of coverage. With that said, the folks at TENDA did provide us something complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it does help out the channel. Thanks for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.